Welcome everybody. It's been a long time since I've made a video and I'm sporting a new look. You see I'm letting the hair grow out, looking a bit scruffy with the beard. And we are now in Ireland, in Dublin, and we are just traveling around here for about 3.5 weeks. Gonna drive around, enjoy all the beautiful sights in Ireland. So we're in Dublin currently for 4 days. This is actually day 3 already. We're leaving tomorrow. And then we're going to drive down to Waterford. So this trip hasn't been without its issues already. So we rented a car for the entire time, and we hadn't used the car on the second day, and we tried to actually use the car. It got a flat, so we had to go back to the rental place, get a car changed. Finally got a new car, which is, I mean, it's not a better car, but it rides a lot better. And yeah, so now we are back in action. And we're currently staying at a hotel that is called the Castle Hotel, which is in downtown Dublin. It's very reminiscent of the Stanley Hotel from The Shining. I'll show you some clips over here, you can see what I mean. So there's a lot of corridors, a lot of red. Ingrid hates me for mentioning that it seems like the hotel from a Stephen King classic, but it does remind me of that. We're currently at a place called Malahide. I told you I'm the worst tour guide ever. So we're gonna go check out this castle on recommendation from a friend of ours. And yeah, so here's the fam. Here's everyone.
Hello.
There's mom and little one. You can see she's quite big now. She's quite the traveler. So we'll let her do her thing. And we're heading into this castle. We'll show you what it looks like inside. So yeah, so we're gonna be in Ireland for 3 weeks, 3.5 weeks I think. Then we go back to Beijing, and then after that we are in Thailand, and that's going to be a lot of fun. All right, so let's see what this castle's got to do. So we're here in one of the castle grounds. This is the butterfly house, and I don't know if you can see there's tons of butterflies here above my head. So it cost us what, 7 euros to see all the gardens around the castle. It's 14 euros to actually go into the castle with a guided tour, but the tour is only going to be at 4:30 and it's only 2:30 now, so we couldn't wait that long. So we just decided to walk around the gardens, and here we are walking amongst the butterflies. Let's see if you can see. Doesn't come up very well on the camera, does it? Walk around, maybe you can walk around this way. Let's see what Cara thinks. Cara, what do you think, darling? What do you think, Cara? Oh, there's quite a few here. As much as the butterfly house was nice, it was warm in there. It's so difficult because here in Ireland, like the temperature only, the max, I think since we've been here, the max has been 18 degrees Celsius. And it can be low as maybe about 8 during the day, like in the morning. But let's have a look what's down here. So we always have to carry like a jacket with us. And this, remember, this is July, it's summertime now. So if you come by this way, make sure you got a jacket. So we walked around some of the gardens, and then you can come up to this one, which is the ferry trail, and it actually that's the castle right there. And so we're actually in the sort of backyard of the castle, which is the ferry trail, and it's a pathway that goes all the way along here. And the front of the estate, let's call it that, is down on that end. It's a pretty nice place, and it's a beautiful day today. It's nice and cool, it's overcast. Fingers crossed it's not raining. But yeah, it's so peaceful and it's nice. It's just beautiful to walk here. So as I said, it's €7.50 per adult if you just want to walk the gardens. And I think if you just walk the gardens, I think it's nice enough. You get a good enough view of the castle. The only problem, as I mentioned, like if you take it's 14 euros to see to go inside the castle, but you have to do it by a guided tour. And I'm not a big fan of guided tours because sometimes you can't really go at your own pace. So, as I said, yeah, I'm not really a fan. So anyway, we're gonna try and see if we can find some of these fairies on the fairy trail. I think I found one. Let's see what she's doing. I guess this is a fairy's house. Guess so. Oh, here's another one. There's like a little fairy swing. And fairy's house says peril. I guess do not enter. Haven't seen any fairies, but this one is definitely away with the fairies. Look at you. Car, I feel like you're gonna be doing this all day.
Who lives inside?
Open the door.
It's like they've built a little outdoor dollhouse for you.
Anybody home?
No.
Say hello.
No.
I think it's more like a troll house.
Alright, so we spent a copious amount of time here at Malahide Castle. And yeah, so this is the car we've now got. It's Opel Insignia. I think that's what you call it. What's that? All right.
My pants for me.
Because she saw you sewing your jacket.
Oh, okay. Now I've got to fix somebody's pants. Okay. Well, anyway, it was a busy day. My voice is gone too. Yeah, so we're gonna drive back to the hotel. It's probably gonna take us maybe about 20 minutes. And then
Everything seems to be 20 minutes in Dublin. The airport's 20 minutes, the city centre's 20 minutes, the castle's 20 minutes.
Yeah, so not too bad. Tomorrow we are off to Waterford, and we're going to see what that's going to be like. And oh, I must take some footage of the hotel. I'll add the footage right here. So you can see.
The hotel's kind of creepy.
Yeah.
A good creepy.
Stanley, remember I said it looks like the Stanley Hotel from The Shining. Or at least reminds me of that anyway. But it's very cool. All right, let's go. So we're back in the hotel. This is just a view of one of the lounge areas. Just wait for me. Oh, sorry. Yeah, so as you can see, it's very very stylized. It's
She ran right in here.
It's how old did you say the 17 what?
Oh,
No, 1809. Yeah, 1809. That's how old the hotel is. Obviously, this is a very old lift from 1809. This is the original lift.
I don't think.
It's amazing the technology they had back in the day.
Haha.
Maybe not. But yeah, as I said, it's.
I think then you had to use your own feet.
Daddy, and then go to throw your finger and go to try your finger.
Let me translate for you. She said don't put your finger on the elevator door.
Yeah. Alright, so we'll continue with the tour. So, follow me. There's the view. So we are up on the top floor. Ooh. Penthouse suite. So, as you can see now, we have to go downstairs. There we go. The car will take us. I think she knows. Let's flip it around there. There's no twins around the corner, are there? Just make sure. Do you want to play? No.
You're right, Boba.
So we need to go this way. I'm surprised Cara actually remembers. And there's more rooms down there. And here we are at our room. And we'll give you the grand tour of what the room looks like.
I hold it.
Okay, Boba, turn. Turn the key. Turn the. Okay. Oh.
There we go.
This is it.
And that's the room. We all sleep snugly on that small little bed over there.
Just kidding.
There's the bathroom. There's the TV.
Just
And this
kidding.
is €200 a night. It's well worth it. It's nice to get up and close with your
We're
family.
just kidding. It's a little bit bigger than
It's a little bit bigger than that. Okay, here's the rest of it.
We have a chocolate room.
A chocolate room, and this is the room. I'll go to this corner to give you a perspective.
This is the chocolate.
Yeah, so let's get it in focus, there we go. So obviously we've been here a couple of days, so our bags are just everywhere. And right next door is a building. And then on this side there's a church or cathedral on the opposite side over there. So it's pretty nice.
Oh, the bathroom.
Oh, yeah.
2 bathrooms.
Yeah, we have 2 bathrooms. So this is sort of like a family style room.
I've never stayed in a hotel with 2 bathrooms though.
Yeah, that's a new one. Definitely the 2 bathroom thing is new. Or different. Oh, and this is almost tripped over my shoe. And this is the other one. So it's a little smaller. I kind of like this one. It's very cute. It's got a very nice sink. And this is a very nice shower. We prefer to shower in this one as opposed to the other one because the water just takes forever to get hot. In the other one. Turn that off. Okay, so we're back now. Now is the important thing is to figure out what exactly we're going to do for dinner. We had a big enough lunch, which I believe for myself and Ingrid, I think we're okay.
Yeah.
We don't really have to eat much, but the little one didn't really want to eat much at lunch, so now she's adamant that she wants pasta, but only pasta. No sauce, nothing. So we're going to try and see what the hotel has to offer.
So apparently celery is a huge allergen here. It's even on this menu.
Didn't know that? There you go. Celery. It's an allergen.